Every time, right? You need to add the jar files manually. Okay. If you want to save the project to any colleague, right? Again, they need to add jar files. Okay. It is little bit headache. Okay. If you are going to work in Java projects, right? That's why in real time, we are not going to work with Java projects. We have Maven. Maven is a build tool where we maintain project related plugins and dependencies in form.xml. And also we have different Maven commands as well. MVN is clean, MVN install. If you want to execute test cases, MVN text. Okay, lot of Maven commands we have. There is a lot of advantage with this. Okay. Once you are creating Maven project, right? Simply you can export your project and you can say to any member, any team member. Simply they can import and start working. No need to add any jar files manually. Once we are creating any Maven project, by default, okay, just you need to add the dependency. I will show you how to add dependency, which version you need to select. Okay, same as Java, right? We did Java installation. We need to, not exactly installation, we need to set the environment variable for Maven. Okay, I will show you. Just go here, just type download Maven. Click this first link, Apache Maven. Here you can see binary zip RQ. Okay, we need to download this. This is for Mac machine. This is also for Mac machine. Okay, we don't need this to. We are going to download the binary zip file. This is for Windows system. Here it is downloading. Why it is taking too much time? It's showing folder Apache Maven. Yeah, see, it is downloaded at 13:12:78. Okay, just now it is downloaded. Just cut from here. Control X. Always go to C drive. Just copy paste here. If you have any older version, try to delete this. Already I'm having same. 9.6 is there. Earlier I have 9.2. Let me delete this older version. Now we are going to extract this. Right click, extract all, extract. Just Control X. Go back here. Control V. Earlier I have older versions as well. Let me delete this. Okay, see, I have a lot of Maven versions. Okay, earlier I used to work with Maven projects. That's why I configured there. Now we have Apache Maven. See, okay, this is the one. Bin folder is there, right? You need to copy the path of the bin folder from address bar. Copy. Then go to this PC, right click, properties. We need to set the environment variable. Click on advanced system settings. Click on environment variable. Already I'm having this older version. Let me delete this. Create new. Maven underscore home. You need to copy paste the path. Remove this. Okay. Here we have two variables. One is user variable, system variable. Under system variable, you need to give the bin path. User variable bin path is not required. Create new. Control V. Click on OK. 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 Now open command prompt and check whether Maven is identifying or not in our system. MVN space hyphen hyphen V. It is taking time. Yeah, it is showing. See, 3.9.2. Earlier we have, okay, old version still it is showing. We installed 3.9.6, right? Let me do one thing. Mm, This PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variable. Don't try to delete anything, okay? If you delete anything in path variable, it will create problems. Just delete this older version, okay? Maven alone. Now open command prompt and check MPN space hyphen hyphen V. This is one way. Yeah, now we got latest version 3.9.6. Other way, MVN hyphen version. This is also, you can check like this as well. If you are giving the full form right version, you can give single hyphen. If you are giving only V shortcut, you need to give two hyphens. Okay. Always try to reopen the command prompt. Okay. If you are getting any exception, close that. Again, try to reopen that. Now we are good. Okay. We configured Maven in our system. Now I'm going to Eclipse. We have only Java projects. As of now, we created. Let me create Maven project, new Maven project. You can't able to believe, okay, even today for one person, 9 years experience, he attended Wipro interview. Straight away, interviewer asked, okay, can you please share your screen and in Eclipse, you need to create a Maven project. And he shared one URL as well. Then he asked us to write the program, login, then you need to verify the login successful or not. Okay, you need to know how to create Maven project. Okay, these are basic things, but still you need to know. You need to select this. Okay, again I will show you. Right click, new Maven project. This is one option. Click on file, new Maven project. This is another option. Here we have another option. Directly you can create Maven project. Then you need to select this option. Create a simple project. Skip architect type selection. Okay, you need to select this checkbox. Otherwise, it will give new errors. Next, okay, then group ID, org dot. If you are working in Capgemini or TCS, you can give the TCS dot, what is this? Maven, or you can give sample or demo project. Here I am going to do demo underscore project. Then no need to give anything. Don't change anything as well. If you want to give description, that is fine. You can give. Okay, but not that is not mandatory. Here you need to define group ID. Group ID is the package name, what you want to define. Then artifact ID is the project name. Then version, let it be default version is fine. Don't change anything. Then click on finish. See, first time if you are configuring Maven, right, it will take time. See, it is taking time to build a complete skeleton. See, just I give project name. Okay. Then project package. That's it. It created a complete skeleton for me. SRC main Java, SRC main resources, SRC test Java, SRC test resources. Okay, then again, this is the default one. Okay, then we have pom.xml. It created skeleton for us. If you open pom.xml, here it will be like this. Okay, Now we are going to add dependency. Okay, manually we need to add dependency just one time job that is. Now go to Chrome, then download Selenium Maven dependency. You need to type like this. Download Selenium Maven dependency. This Maven repository is there. Here we have two types. One is local repository, then central repository. Okay. Local repository means here you can see inside the system run .m2. Here you can see the Maven dependencies plugins. These are the dependencies plugins we have. This is the centralized repository. If you don't have any Maven local one, it will download from central repository. Now I am going to work with these are the different versions I have, but I am going to work with the old one 3.141.59. This is stable version. Copy this dependency. Go here. Here before adding dependency, you need to define dependencies. Okay, we are going to add multiple dependencies, right? That's why always you need to add these dependencies before the project tag. Okay, then inside this copy paste. After copy pasting, you need to give Control S, or you can click on save. Now see, we have JRE system library, right? See, we got Maven dependencies one library. These are related to the Selenium jar file. Earlier we used to add manually, right? Each and every jar file extract from the zip file. Then you need to add. Now no need to do all those things. Just you can add simple these three lines. That's it. Dependency always having group ID. Now also while creating Maven project, right, we defined the group ID. Group ID is related to the package name. Then artifact ID is the project name. They created for us. Selenium people, they created for us. Now we are going to work with TestNG as well, right? Now here directly you can search TestNG. TestNG. This is the latest version, May 19, 2023. Click this. Here I am going to take the latest version. Copy this. See, whenever you are working with Maven projects, right, it will give errors. Okay, no need to worry. After the close tag, right, you need to give and this is the dependency. It is closing here. Then next, you need to define another dependency. See, now if you go and see Maven dependency, here you can see TestNG related jar file is downloaded. Where it got saved, here you can see C users 91996.m2 folder repository like this. Here you can see the exact jar file. This is the local repository. Now we have Selenium Java dependency and we have TestNG as well. Now we are going to write directly code. Before writing code, you need to add one folder where you can maintain the browsers. I don't know where I kept this browser downloads we have. Not where I kept the downloads. Yeah, here we have. Copy this. Always keep in project folder. This will be easy to call this one. Okay. Now we are going to write code in src test Java. Here also you can create the package folder org dot capgemini dot like this. You can create multiple packages. Org dot capgemini dot scripts. Now I'm going to write my first test case in Maven project. Create one class. Which website you can HRMS. Okay, we'll take HRMS. This is also for practice purpose we can use orange HRM. In interview, he asked the same application, orange HRM. No, not this one. Yeah, this is the one. Orange HRM. They provided admin password as well. This is for demo purpose. Copy this project, right? Okay, orange HRM underscore line. No, this is the URL we are going to automate. Here we can define like hmm, class. Let me create one method. Public void verify use. Here before right we are going to define before test because this is test ng, right? Public void system dot set property. Then exe file path. Double dot. Then we are going to declare this at class level. Try to import this driver equal to new from driver. Then here we have driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Then driver dot get after launching URL, right? I'm going to give the implicit weight as well because this application is not Java developed one. They used Angular JS, okay, Angular React JS, Java Selenium won't support. Still, we can automate with the wait commands. Driver dot manage dot window dot no, timeouts dot implicit wait. Here you can give 30 seconds. Then time unit seconds. Now, okay. Mm, my when commands, okay, my let me inspect the elements. Here we have. Here I want to do differently, okay. Here we have username, password. First we need to get the username and password. Store in two variables, username, password. Then you need to enter here. I don't want to hard code, okay. But because in future, if they are changing, right, username and password, we can take from here directly. See here, retag. For this one, you need to write some Java code, okay. Let's try to do this. But p tag is having same thing. Same username password is there, okay. They created typically. Yeah, let's try to write the custom xpath. Let me copy this. Control C, Control A, double slash. What is the tag name? P. contains text. Okay, this is the text area, comma, contains text. Okay, text, comma, username. It is not highlighting. Contains, okay, text, detail. What is this expert? It is unable to identify. P tag is there. Okay, then text area. Something is there. Oh, okay. But text we give same thing. Contains text area only this is. Because see, there is no attribute here. Just they define the this website, right? Okay, this is the Angular one. That's why a little bit wrong. No, it will show like this only. We need to identify. Okay, like there. Okay, I will take this class. Control C, Control F, double slash div contains. Whenever you are using attribute, you will get the class, comma. But I don't want to give entire thing because sometimes it won't work. See, double slash P. Okay, here we have P2. Okay, let's take one. This will be one, then this will be two. Control A. This is index. Okay, we can use index as well because we have only two elements, right? We can use index. Control X. Driver dot find element by dot export. What we need to do here? We need to get the text. Get text. Here you need to use the string method. Okay, directly we can't get the username. String username. Then password index 2. Okay, by giving index 2, you'll get the password. But I'm getting doubt whether it is text or not. Password. Index 2. First one will be username, second one will be password. Okay, just I want to print before using Java methods, string method. Use same thing for password also. Oh, shit. Then password, okay. In future, right, okay, if there are changing credentials, no need to change our code. Dynamically, it will take from there and it will enter. Okay, just I am trying to extract the text area, include this because without text annotation, you can't able to import execute. Okay, okay. What happened? We are not calling URL. Yeah, we have URL. Oh, okay. Double slash two times came. That's why you need to give proper URL, otherwise it will throw exception. Okay, it launched the URL. Then see. Yeah, we got username, then password. But I need to get this value. I don't want this left side value. Okay. Here also, I don't want this left side value. Okay, here I can do one thing. This is the common, right? Based on this, I'm going to split the element. Username dot split based on this, we are going to split. Then you will get the string array symbol. Then index 0 we don't need. Okay, index 0 we have. Let me show you. Okay, for your understanding. Let me. Now we have index 0 and 1 because we have only two values, right? Sorry, index. It will start with 0th index. Same thing. I'm going to implement here as well. This is the password. Password dot split. Then mm, password data. Then here I need to change this 0. Now see, okay. Run as testing test. It is launching URL. Then let me close this. I don't want to keep all these things. Now see, we have this one password, then admin 123. But if you notice here we have spaces, unwanted spaces. We need to remove the unwanted spaces. Now we separated, username got separated, then this one. Password got separated, this one, based on the split method. Here we have unwanted spaces. See, I don't want to keep that unwanted spaces. We have method dot trim. Trim method, right? Always it will remove the unwanted spaces. Here also, okay, first element only we are going to, because this is the index we have actual value. I will do one thing. String final username equal to. Then I am going to print the. Are you able to understand or not? Okay, this is very important concepts. Okay, if you are unable to understand these basic things, it is difficult to understand advanced one. Final password. Okay, now we have final username, final password. Now I'm going to inspect elements. Name is there, name attribute is there. Password attribute is there. Then we have login button. See here, login button. Yeah, see, this is lengthy one we cannot use, but we can use contains method here. Control C, Control F. Because we don't have any other attribute. ID is not available. The name is not available. Okay. If you try to use text area, spaces are there. That's why I don't want to take that. Okay. Try with the class double slash button. This is the tag name. Contains at the rate of class attribute, right? Comma. Whenever you're using contains, you will get the. Now we have one of one. Remove these spaces. Okay. I don't want to do completely. That's why I'm using partially. Control X and keep it. Driver dot find element by dot name dot send keys. There is the final username we are going to enter. This is the final password. Okay. Now we have final username, final password. Then we have XPath dot find element dot XPath dot click. Now finally I'm going to close the browser at the rate of after test while here down driver dot close. Right click run as test engine. It is launching URL. Then enter username and password. Yeah, login successful. Like this. If you see here, Maven project, target folder is there, test output folder is there. Whenever you refresh this test output folder, you can see the results. Automatically, it will generate results, right? Those results are saved in test output folder. Okay. Index.html. Here you can see the test case. Verify user login is false. Okay. Like this, we are going to use the Maven commands you can execute. Okay. Next, I will do through Maven command. Right click. What is where is this? Why I'm not getting this property? Yeah, here we have property. There is the project folder. If you click this right, you can go to the project folder location. You need to expand this. Now we have pom.xml. Now go to here. You need to type the command. Okay, cmd. Then enter. It will open the command prompt. Okay, where we have the pom.xml. Here we are going to do maven clean. These are the Maven commands. Through Maven command also you can execute. See, build success. Next, I'm going to execute command mvn text. Now see, it's downloading all supporting jar files. Build failure. Why? Compilation error. What is this compilation error? mvn install. Okay, before this mvn install. Yeah, this is the fail to execute goal. Okay, because when it class file has wrong version 55 should be 52. This is the Maven compiler plugin issue. Okay, compilation failure. Cannot access org.test after test. Okay, test. Why this issue? Can do one thing. Build success. Maven is typical one, okay. Once you, if you are setting anything right, it will be fine, okay. Otherwise, it will keep on give exception. CMD. Okay. Scanning for the project, build success. I don't know why it is not picking. Because we have demo project, okay. Nothing to compare, all classes are up to date. Mm. To verify the life cycle, you get the version, okay, build a value, being clean test. Yeah, still we are getting the compilation error. Okay, current subsidiary. Because of this, is unable to execute the job. Maven command. Okay, we need to remove or make sure it appears subsidiary class file. Okay, 1 minute. Otherwise, we can execute from here. Run as in Maven test. We are getting same thing. Okay, generally, whenever you are calling Maven test, right, it will go to the SRC test Java. Then it will execute the whatever annotations we have at the rate of test. Okay, like this latest version, some issue it is giving. Okay, that is configure before. Let me give the 1.8. Mass MBN. No, still it is unable to. Nothing to compile. All places are up to date. Okay, generally you have any date code right at the rate of test, it will start